Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for some downhill racing. I'm here with my son Samson. What's up, Sam?
What's up, Dad?
And I am getting ready to race these 40's WOODIE. All right, there's a nice car, and we have the chrome one versus the garage. I think Sam just said he's claiming the chrome before I could. That's okay with me because I want the one with the surfboards. All right, Samson, why don't you just open that up then? Let's see if you can open that up without making a mess.
Well, the trick is that you pick the corner here and then you slide your finger across it like that.
Oh, better than I thought. Good job.
See, look at that. Perfect.
Those wheels
Wait,
roll.
ooh, this is like dirty metal.
Nice. I like it.
Very nice.
Good job. All right, your turn. Pick the corner. Pop them and drop them. Oh, look good, look good. There's your race right there. See if we can get a nice still shot with the green background. Sam's got the chrome. I've got the blue with the surfboards. Let's get these guys racing. Sam, I'm going to put your silver chrome one in lane 1 to start off with.
Okay, and we're all set up.
All right. And mine will be in lane 2. 40's WOODIE. Chrome is in lane 1. Ready. Set. Race. Oh, that teal one won in lane 2. Now let's put those in opposite lanes just to make sure. Really cool cars. I've been waiting to open these for years. Now the chrome one is in lane 2, and that teal looking one is in lane 1. Ready. Set. Rush! Oh, that teal one comes up from behind after about 15 feet of track, and then blew it away. The chrome one was winning, Samson.
Yes, I saw
Thanks so
that.
much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. Please subscribe.